Hi friends, we are back with our next vlog. We stayed for a night at the Kochi Marriott while on our way back from the wonderful Coconut Lagoon. Considering that we have stayed more than a few times here, Kochi Marriott always gives us a coming back home kind of feel. The check-in was kind of unruly to start off with, a few guys jumping the queue amidst a rather helpless service desk. The situation was sorted thereafter with the entry of Jihan, who was very helpful and considerate. Courtesy to the Platinum membership, we were quickly upgraded onto a suite which was very large and well furnished. The view from the room is simply amazing. The hotel also offers wellness and recreation facilities like spa, fitness center and swimming pool. Jihan also got us booked onto the special Easter lunch at Kasava, where the team led by Aisha, who is very efficient, helped us with a splendid traditional Easter lunch. The kids were also regaled by the balloon art and the magician on call. A lovely experience through and through.
7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So this is your car.
Right.
Is that your car?
Yeah.
You are so connected. Thank you so much.
We also tried the members lounge in the evening, which was quite nice. Kochi Kitchen was nice as always with decent food and good service. But we would still rate Port Museries to be the gold standard for local Kerala cuisine. Barring a couple of blemishes, we had a good experience at the restaurant. The key attraction at Kochi Marriott is the Lulu Mall, and they arrange for pickups and drops from the mall. The next day we had requested for a car back to the airport at the concierge. Now that was a horrible experience with the car not turning up even after an hour of the stipulated time. It took some strong arming eventually to get the concierge to send out the hotel car to drop us. It was an unpleasant experience. All of our stays at the Kochi Marriott have followed the 80-20 principle. 80% of super efficient service quality and 20% apathy. This time it was the concierge and the initial check-in experience. We just so wish Team Kochi Marriott to be more consistent. I hope you like this video. If so, please like, share and comment. Also, please consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Until then, bye.